In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk create place cards in Canva. We'll take a simple template and turn it into a full set of personalized place cards in just a few minutes using Canva's bulk create feature. Start by opening Canva and heading to your existing place card design. If you're starting from a template, keep the layout clean, one text box for the guest's name and another for details like a table number. Simple, consistent formatting makes the data connection smooth. Next, prepare your data. Create a spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets with a column for each unique piece of information you want to appear on the cards, such as first name, last name, and table number. Keep your headers short and clear, and avoid extra blank rows or special characters. If your template has a single name line, you can combine first and last names into one column to match that layout. When you're done, save the sheet as a CSV file. CSV is the standard format Canva uses to map your data to the design. Back in Canva, open your design and go to Apps. If you don't see it right away, look under More from Canva and select Bulk Create. This is where you'll bring in your guest list. Click Upload CSV to import the file you just saved. If your list is small or still changing, you can choose Enter Data manually and type it directly into Canva instead. Either way, each column becomes a field you can connect to your design. Now connect your data to the template. Right-click the text box where the guest's name should appear, choose Connect Data, and select the matching column from your spreadsheet, like first name. Repeat the process for any other text fields, such as table number. Make sure each text box points to the correct column so everything lands in the right place. When your fields are connected, click Continue. You'll be prompted to choose which rows to use, so you can generate all your cards or just a subset. Then click Generate Pages, sometimes labeled Create Designs, and Canva will create a separate page for each entry in your list. Take a moment to review the results. Scan for long names that might wrap awkwardly, spacing that needs a nudge, or fonts that look better slightly smaller. When everything looks consistent, click Share and download your set as a print-ready PDF. This ensures crisp text and the best quality for printing. That's it. Thanks for watching.